Welcome back, everyone. And yes, I've been reading some of your criticisms. Why don't I record the screen? I do have screen recording software, and I will eventually get to that at some point. But for now, I wanted to show you something new I've been up to. So this is my Grafana dashboard I made. These are all panels, which I'll explain later. But first, you guys remember that dual robot flask app? I did it again, but I made it up again. As you can see, Linus and Torvalds are back again. And of course, they're back in action. See? They're back in action. Let me just move the arm a little bit more. As you can see, they are back in action. So what I did was I used something called Prometheus Flask to monitor their movements. And of course, everything is monitored using this dashboard by Grafana. The first one here is total requests per second. This calculates all the requests that I've made. These are Jaeger spans. These are triggered anytime I blink the LEDs. I specifically did that basically to show you that you can use Jaeger spans for pretty much anything you want. And in this case, I used it to blink the LED. This one is average response time. This is in microseconds. So it's not too bad, I would say. There's RAM usage of the pod uptime, which is at 100. These are requests per second, not total, but these are different. These are for status 200s, which have shown pretty successful. And finally, we have CPU usage on the bottom. It's not too bad, I would say. CPU usage is pretty cool. But yes, you're thinking, why did you add Jaeger spans? Well, these are actually 2 Jaeger spans, one for each of their LEDs. So if anything goes wrong, I know what to reference at some point. But yeah, basically, this uses the Prometheus database in this case. So what I did was I connected my application to Prometheus. And of course, Prometheus scrapes any requests, which I'm going to show you here. And as you can see, it has all, of course, the requests I made and the duration and all that. So for example, here it tells you how quickly I was able to get, let's say, the east request and so on. But overall, that's pretty much it for this project. I have to say this was a pretty successful project, to say the least. Overall, I am very happy with this project, and there's not much to say now, but I will definitely see you guys next time.